Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue's air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. A clean air filter improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. We will go through the process step by step, from locating the filter to installing the new one. Make sure you have your new air filter and any basic tools like a screwdriver ready to go. Let's get started. Now that you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it up. This housing is usually a prominent black box situated on one side of your engine. You'll notice several clips around the perimeter, or perhaps a few screws that secure the top cover. Gently unfasten these clips or unscrew the fasteners. Once they are all released, carefully lift the cover. Be aware of any hoses or electrical connections that might be attached and try not to strain them. With the housing open, you can now see your old air filter. It will likely appear dirty, perhaps even clogged with debris. Gently lift it out of its slot. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the airbox for any accumulated dirt, leaves, or other foreign objects. Use a clean rag or a small vacuum to clear out any debris. Now, take your new, clean air filter and carefully place it into the housing, making sure it fits snugly and is oriented correctly. You're almost done. Carefully place the air filter housing cover back onto the base, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Re-engage all the clips you unfastened earlier, or tighten the screws until the cover is securely sealed. Take a moment to double-check that any hoses or wires you might have moved are now properly reconnected. Finally, start your Nissan Rogue's engine. Listen for any unusual sounds and confirm that no warning lights appear on your dashboard. Great job! You've successfully changed your air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.